Welcome to the NIOS studio. Today, we are going to discuss the subject Home Science. We will discuss Home Science, Lesson 2, Food and its Nutrients. Let us first know what is food. Food is any edible substance that we eat or drink to satisfy hunger and nourish the body. Food is expected to be tasty, socially acceptable, and fulfills psychological needs. You must be knowing we get food from different sources like fruits and vegetables from plants and eggs and meat from goat, chicken, etc. Therefore, according to the sources and origin of food, we divide the food groups into mainly two parts. Therefore, food is obtained from plant origin and animal origin. We get from plant origins are grains, pulses, fruits, vegetables, vegetable oil, sugar, and the foods prepared from them. On the other hand, the food we get from animal origins are milk and milk products, meat, egg, fish, and seafood, and the food prepared from them. Food is essential for survival and maintenance of life, satisfy hunger, growth and development, functioning of the vital organs, production of energy, to fight against diseases causing germs. Food provides us energy. Food gives energy for vital body functions like breathing, eating, sleeping. It is also needed for play and other activities. Food supports our growth and bodybuilding. Food provides strength and maturation of the body. Food regulates body processes. Brain needs constant supply of energy which comes from food, which further regulates thinking, heartbeat, and digestion. Food also provides protection against diseases. Now let's talk about nutrients. What are nutrients? Food contains variety of vital substances like nutrients, by which the food performs vital functions in the body. Nutrients are invisible chemical compounds present in the food which are necessary to keep the body healthy. Body cannot synthesize them, hence they need to be obtained from the foods. There are mainly 6 nutrients. carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, and water. What does nutrition mean? Nutrition is the utilization of food in the body for health and well-being. Nutrition starts from the process of ingestion of food, after that digestion of food, after that absorption of food, and after that utilization of food. For proper nutrition, we must get all nutrients: carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, and water. Also, all nutrients are present in food like cereals, pulses, milk, meat, egg, fish, fruits and vegetables, fats and sugar. Different nutrients are present in different foods in varying quantity. Let's now talk about carbohydrates. The function of carbohydrates are: it's a main source of energy, about 4 kcal kilocalorie per gram. It adds bulk to the diet. It provides satisfaction after meal. It also helps to make food tasty. Spare protein for its own function. Now we will know little about types of carbohydrates. The first one is sugar. Sugar can be easily digested. It is a quick source of energy, but excess of sugar is bad for health. The sources of sugar are sugar and food containing sugar like sweets, jam. The other types are starch. It is also known as complex sugar. It is slow to digest, so release energy steadily. It contains fiber, so it is good for health. And the sources are rice, potato, bread, dal. Now we will talk about proteins. All the cells, tissues, organs, muscles, bones, teeth are made up of proteins. They are good for growth and development, repairs for old cells and for maintenance. It also helps in production of enzymes, hormones, and antibodies. It provides energy like 1 gram of protein provides energy equal to 4 kilocalorie. protein also helps in wound healing. The food sources of protein are, it is divided into two sources. One is animal sources and the second is plant sources. Animal sources are meat, poultry, fish, eggs, milk, cheese, paneer, curd. And the plant sources are cereals, pulses, nuts, ground nut, soya bean, and some vegetables. Animal proteins, that we get protein from meat like egg, milk, etc. They are better than vegetable proteins like protein from pulses, cereals, etc. This is because proteins from vegetables sources do not contain all essential amino acids. Including 2 or more sources of vegetables protein in each meal helps to improve the quality of proteins and their utilization. Now we will talk about fats. Fat helps our body. Fat includes both fats and vegetable oils. It's a rich source of energy, like 9 kilocalorie per gram, help to keep the body warm, helps to utilize fat soluble, provide cushion to certain vital organs like liver, heart and skeleton, and also helps in growth of tissues. Food sources of fats and oils are, it also has two sources mainly, animal sources and plant sources. Animal sources are ghee, butter, poultry, fish, egg, whole milk, cheese. Skim milk lack fat. Whole food contains varying amount of invisible fat that is of good quality. And the plant sources are cooking oil, fried foods, oil seeds and nuts. Now we will talk about vitamins. Vitamins are essential for regulating all the body functions. They themselves do not provide energy, but helps in releasing the energy from carbohydrates, protein and fat. Though they are required in small quantity, but they can cause many deficiency disease. Vitamins are mainly of two types. The one is fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are soluble in fat. Examples are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. The other type of vitamins are water-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins are soluble in water easily. These are of two categories. Vitamin B complex. It contains 8 different types of vitamins. They all together are called vitamin B complex. And the other one is vitamin C. This is also water soluble. We will now discuss about vitamin A, the functions of vitamin A. Vitamin A is required for normal vision in the eyes. It is necessary for healthy skin. It provides resistance to disease. And it is needed for growth and development. Then vitamin D. Functions of vitamin D are: it helps in formation and maintenance of strong teeth and bones, helps in proper absorption and utilization of calcium and phosphorus, supports muscle functions and immunity, now about vitamin E. Vitamin E prevents destruction of certain substances in presence of oxygen. It also prevents damage of cells and cell membrane. And also it acts as an antioxidant. Now we will talk about vitamin K. Vitamin K is essential in clotting of blood. Recently known to support bone health. Vitamin K is also synthesized in the large intestine by the intestinal flora. It's a good bacteria. Now we will talk about vitamin B complex. The main functions of vitamin B complex are: it helps the body to use energy, keep the digestive system healthy, helps in growth and functioning of the nervous system. Now we will talk about vitamin C. Functions of vitamin C. Vitamin C is necessary for formation of a substance that holds cell together. Vitamin C is needed for strong teeth and bones, helps in production of hemoglobin, helps in fighting the disease-causing germs. Now we will talk about minerals. Minerals are present in all body tissues and cells. They are present in earth, rocks and sea, soil, and reach the food we eat. Minerals occur in food as salts. Few of the important minerals are calcium, phosphorus, iron, and iodine. These are required in small amount for normal functioning of the body. Now we will talk about calcium. Calcium is the largest amount of mineral in the body and is present in our bones. Its functions are: calcium is useful for growth of our body, It gives strength to our bones. It also helps in muscular contraction. It also helps in blood clotting and functioning of the nerves. Calcium and phosphorus are equally important in the body. Both of them are macro minerals. Excess of phosphorus intake may deplete the calcium. For better utilization of calcium, vitamin D is also needed. Now we will talk about deficiency of calcium. Deficiency of calcium leads to rickets in children and osteoporosis in adults. In adults, the bone becomes porous. In osteoporosis, increases the risk of fracture. Now we will talk about iron. Iron is very crucial mineral which makes our blood red and active in life. It is important for formation of compound called hemoglobin present in red blood cells. Thus, iron helps in better transport of the oxygen to body cells. Now we will talk about deficiency of iron. Iron deficiency disease is called as anemia. It is highly prevalent in our country, particularly in women and children. Young girls of 12 to 18 years need more iron-rich food in their diet because of menstrual loss of iron. Pregnancy demands extra iron for healthy development and growth of the fetus. Now this is a picture you can see and understand iron absorption. Spinach when taken with tea is not right. On the other hand, spinach when taken with lemon is good for iron absorption. Now we will talk about iodine. Iodine is good for our growth of our body, for functioning of our brain. And the main sources of iron from where we get iodine, the main source of iodine are seafood, sea salt, iodized salt, that is salt fortified with iodine. Water is also essential for our body. The main functions are water is vital to life. It is present in all the cells of the body. It protects the internal organs, helps in digestion, absorption, and transportation of nutrients in the body, helps in excretion of waste materials. It helps in maintaining the body temperature. Till now, we have covered few topics like food, different groups of food, Nutrients. What is their role in our body? Sources of important nutrients. Meaning of deficiency. There is more about this lesson in the next video of part 2 about remaining parts of this lesson. I hope you have understood all the lesson completely. You must study yourself for better understanding. Work hard and study well. Thank you.